Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel, First World Problems. One thing's for sure, I have a problem where I keep on losing my wallet. So I thought, what is the solution? So, well, anyway, this is my wallet, which is, no cash, no nothing, just a card, just cards, simple, but it's so light when it drops, I can't even hear it. So, solution, welcome to the Journey LOC8 Finder card, which works with Apple Find My. Okay, so basically, just make sure you've got your Find My iPhone app enabled, and when you use this particular card, then you can find your wallet, hopefully. So use with wallets, use with backpack, luggage. It has a 2 years non-replaceable battery on it, so for $38, pretty cheap, I think. I mean, the pain of losing a wallet, because I've lost my wallet once, but I found it again after about, I think, about a week or so. You don't want to be losing your wallet. So that's the thing. Made in China, designed in Australia. That's the part code. And this particular product, I think it was reviewed by Forbes. It was on a Forbes website. So this is the unboxing for this particular product, which is the LOC8 Finder card. That's what it's called. And see, long battery life, waterproof and dust proof. So let's give it a go in opening it up. So, it's got the tab style of opening the product, which is just like an Apple iPhone. Taking it off. Yeah. So that's the box. Journey, find your items with the LOC8 card. Aha. So that's the website at journeyofficial.com. We've got warnings, yada yada yada. Open up, and hey, LOC8 card set up with Apple's Find My app. Does it work with Android? I don't know. I don't think so, because there's no, it doesn't say anything about Android stuff in here. Use lost mode, long battery life. Enjoy over 24 months of battery life. Okay, it's got a lost mode there. That's basically it. All right, so that's the product there. Oops, how do you take this off? Wow, 1 2 3, ta-da. Oops, what's this? FCC compliance statement, yada yada yada. Okay, that's the product there by Journey. That's the brand. Nice matte finish. It's got, I think that's got, is that a button? Oh, there is a button there. I think that's the connect button. Once it's connected, to configure it. At the back, you can see it's even got a serial number there. Designed in Australia, made in China. Oh, it's got the hole there, so you can fit your, like a, you can put on a keyring actually, or a tag to it. And it is credit card size, quite thin enough, light enough, lasts for 2 years, $38. We'll see how good it is. Okay, so got a slot there. Ooh, a bit tight, but it goes in okay. All right, I got one card there, 2 cards there. I got 1 card inside there. I think that's why it's a bit tight. All right. I think that's it basically. It's in. Well, that's the unboxing basically, and I will do some testing over the next couple of weeks or days, and then put up a video on the usage of this particular product. Basically, the LOC8 find the card. Till next time, bye.